What's up guys? Today we're going to be going over how to actually condition your hair properly. Let's get into it. First, make sure you're not using a heavy conditioner. If you want to retain the volume in your hair, make sure the conditioner is not too heavy. And this especially goes to someone who has slightly finer hair. You don't want to add anything heavy, and you most importantly want to make sure you spread it out. Don't just grab conditioner and go in and just kind of clob it together, and that's not the right way to do it, because then you're pushing down all of that condition down into your scalp and you're just kind of mixing it in that one spot. So if you want to make sure you're doing it the right way, you just start by dropping your hair a little bit, getting it all over in your hands, and then just kind of going in there and really making sure that you're spreading it out evenly and you're not just putting it all on your scalp. And then you want to hold it in your hair for like 2 to 3 minutes, because obviously you want your hair to absorb the conditioner. That way it actually does its job. So if you just remove it, it's not going to do anything. So I recommend 2 to 3 minutes, leave it in, wash other parts of your body, come back to it, and then just rinse it off. So make sure you just don't get heavy conditioners. You spread it out evenly and you just let it sit in your hair so that it can actually get absorbed, which would be the best part. So anyway, aside from that guys, let me know if you have any questions. If you do want to pick up some really great conditioners, Pete & Pedro has a whole ton of conditioners that just work amazing. I mean, they're quality A-grade products. So anyway, check those out. But aside from that guys, leave any questions below and I'll see you in the next video.